Think you need thousands of dollars to start investing? Think again. Are you kidding me? You think you need a wad of cash like this to get started? Forget about it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn just $100, that's right, a single Benjamin, into the first step of your investing journey. Whether you're sipping lemonade in the US or maple syrup up in Canada, this guide is tailored for you. We're talking about taking control of your financial future, folks. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about building wealth over time. It's about planting a seed and watching it grow into a mighty oak. But wait, if you're serious about growing your money, and I know you are, you'll definitely want to check out my other videos, like how to save money in 2025 and how to grow $100 fast. Those are must-watch resources for anyone looking to level up their financial game. We're talking life-changing stuff here, people. You might be thinking, Jim, $100 is nothing. How can that get me anywhere? Are you serious? That's chump change. Well, let me tell you something. Starting with $100 isn't just possible, it's smart. It's brilliant. Why? Because investing isn't about how much you start with, it's about how consistently you invest over time. It's like building a brick wall, one brick at a time. Let's say you invest $100 today and keep adding $100 every single month. That's it, just $100. Into an ETF that grows at an average annual rate of 8%. After 10 years, you'll have over $18,000. Bam! That's right. And after 20 years? Get this, nearly $60,000. You heard me right? That's the magic of compound interest working for you. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger. Think of it this way. That $100 is your ticket to the game. It gets you in the door, and once you're in, you can start playing the market like a pro. We're not talking about gambling here, folks. This is investing. We're talking about putting your money to work for you so you can sit back, relax, and watch it grow. So don't let anyone tell you that $100 isn't enough to start investing. They're wrong. It's more than enough to get you started on the road to financial freedom. Now let's break it down. Here's how you can start investing with $100 in 2025, whether you're in the US or Canada. It's easier than ordering a pizza, folks. Step 1. Choose the right platform. Think of it like choosing the right pair of shoes. You need a platform that fits your needs and your budget. For Americans, apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard are great beginner-friendly options. They're like the sneakers of the investing world, easy to use and comfortable right out of the box. Canadians? Check out Wealthsimple, Questrade, or TD Direct Investing. Think of these as your trusty hiking boots, reliable, sturdy, and ready to take on any terrain. These platforms let you start with small amounts and often have low fees. We're talking about keeping more of your hard-earned money. Step 2. Pick an investment type. This is where things get exciting. With $100, I recommend starting with ETFs or index funds. Think of these as your all-star team, ready to hit a home run for your portfolio. Why? They're low-cost, diversified, and perfect for beginners. You're basically spreading your $100 across hundreds of companies instead of betting it all on one stock. It's like having a safety net for your money. Step 3. Automate your investments. This is the key to success, folks. Most platforms let you set up automatic contributions. Think of it like setting your bills on autopilot. It just happens without you having to lift a finger. This is key. By automating $100 a month, or whatever you can afford, you're taking emotions out of investing and letting time do the work for you. It's like having your own personal money-making machine. Now you're probably wondering, what exactly can I buy with $100? Can you even buy a decent cup of coffee for that these days? Well, in the stock market you can buy your way into some serious growth. Here's a quick example. With $100, you can buy a fraction of shares in these ETFs. Yes, fractional investing is your best friend when you're starting small. Think of it as buying a slice of pizza instead of the whole pie. For my American investors, check out VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, or SPY, the S&P 500 ETF. These are like the blue chips of the ETF world, solid, reliable performers. Canadians, I've got you covered too. Take a look at VFV, the S&P 500 Index ETF, or X1U, the TSX 60 ETF. These are like the maple syrup of the Canadian market, sweet and dependable. Don't underestimate the power of fractional shares, folks. It's your ticket to owning a piece of some of the biggest and best companies in the world. Here are 3 tips to make the most of your $100 investments. We're talking about turning that Benjamin into a Benjamin Franklin. Tip 1. Reinvest your dividends. Many ETFs pay dividends. Think of these as bonus payments just for being an investor. Reinvest them automatically to accelerate your portfolio growth. It's like getting free money to buy more investments. It's a beautiful cycle. Tip 2. Stay consistent. Investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Whether it's $100 or $1,000, consistency matters more than the amount. It's like going to the gym. You won't see results overnight, but if you stick with it, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Tip 3. Keep learning. The more you learn, the more you earn. Knowledge is power, folks. Check out my video on how to invest in the stock market in 2025 for a deeper dive into smart strategies. We're talking about becoming a master investor. Still hesitant? Worried about losing your hard-earned cash? Let me bust 2 common myths that are holding you back from financial freedom. Myth 1. Investing is risky. Yes, there's risk, but starting with diversified ETFs reduces that risk significantly. It's like wearing a helmet when you ride a bike. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Myth 2. I don't have time. Are you kidding me? With automated platforms, investing takes minutes. You set it and forget it. It's easier than making toast. Don't let these myths keep you on the sidelines. Investing is for everyone, and it's easier than you think. So there you have it. With just $100, you can start building wealth today. Remember, it's not about where you start, it's about where you're headed. We're talking about reaching for the stars. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Money with Jim for more actionable finance tips. Let's make some money, and don't forget to check out my other videos like how to save money in 2025 and how to grow your $100 fast. Your financial future starts here. See you in the next one.